Welcome, students of MEH. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Schoogle account. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and go to MEHMS, the home page, and we're just going to click there. And underneath the Staff tab, you can go all the way down to the bottom and see Schoogle. So let's go ahead and click on Schoogle, and it's going to ask you for your username and password. Now, everyone's username is going to be the same username that you use to log into the MEH computers. However, I'm just going to go ahead and type in mine to show you what it looks like. So it's typically your last name followed by your first initial. And then your password is going to be the letters FCCPS followed by your student ID number or your lunch number. So example could be FCCPS 12345. But since I'm a teacher, I'm going to go ahead and just enter in my password. And I'm going to sign in. Now, as soon as you sign in, it's going to take you to the calendar. And in your calendar, it's like an online interactive agenda, which can be really helpful for keeping yourself organized. If you notice, off to the left-hand side, you have a section called My Calendars. Now, you can create calendars, or you can actually go down and see other calendars that have been shared with you. Down here is a section where you can go to other calendars and check out things such as MEH's calendar, which can be shared with you. Over here it's in the green area, and it shows you some different things that are going on currently for this week. Or I could change to the day, I could change to the month, so on and so forth. Okay, so your calendars are over here. And if you wanted to make an event, you could click on any day. Let's say tomorrow is Saturday and I have a soccer tournament. So I could type in soccer tournament, and I could create a specific calendar, such as meetings, Tech 5, or whatever I choose to have. And then I would click Create Event. Another neat feature of Schoogle is your documents. Using Schoogle documents, you can either choose to create documents or you can upload them directly from your computer. Let me first explain how to create documents. You're allowed to create a document similar to a Word document, a presentation, which is similar to a PowerPoint, a spreadsheet, which is similar to an Excel, a form, which can be like a survey, a drawing, which can be very similar to the Paint program, or a folder. In this case, it's called a collection, which means that you can organize your different files however you'd like. Just for the sake of experimenting and showing you, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make a document. So I could just type in, this is a test document. Okay? Now, this is very similar to Microsoft Word. And I can type in just like I would normally using Microsoft Word. The only difference is that this is an internet-based program on Google. Okay, so everything is internet-based. And what's neat about this is I can give it a title such as Schoogle Doc. I click OK, I have my title, and now I can choose to share it. And what's neat about this is I can share it with individual people. Like if I want to share this with Mr. Spargrove, I would go ahead and type in Mr. Spargrove's name, and I can share that with him. Or I can choose to share it with the entire world. I can share it with everybody. I can make this public if I want to by changing this private setting. So I can make this public on the web. I can click Save. And I can also change if I want someone to edit this. So if I want Mr. Spargrove to be able to edit the same document, I can select Can Edit. Now, if I just want Mr. Spargrove to just be able to view it, I can click Can View. Now Mr. Spargrove cannot edit this document, but he can just view it to take a look at it. So the share feature is really neat part of Schoogle documents. So that's how you would create one. Now, if you wanted to upload a document, you would click the Upload button. So let's say I worked on a project at school and I want to keep this into my Schoogle documents to save for later. I would find my file. So let's say I click on this one, Schoogle Docs. I would click Open, and I have a couple choices. I can either convert this document as a Google Docs format, or I can let it upload directly as a Word file like it is. So I'm going to show you just uploading it how it is for right now. I'm going to click Start Upload. You see that it's finished, and now you see the little W pop up. This shows me that it's a Word document, and I can view this if I wanted to, but I'm not going to for the sake of time. Now, let's say I wanted to upload that same document, but in this case, I want to convert it to a Google Docs format. So I would check this button, click Start Upload, and what's neat is that it's the same file, but it converted it to an online format of a Schoogle document. And if you can see, it has this little symbol right here that tells you the difference. Here I have a Word file, and here I have the Google Docs symbol. Okay? Now I can upload all kinds of files, such as movies, I can upload pictures, videos, PowerPoints, all different types of projects that you create, and I can upload them here. And what's neat is that you can create your own online portfolio, meaning that you can create different collections or folders, and you can manage or organize your files however you'd like. And what's neat about this is that you can go to any other computer anywhere in the world, go online to your Schoogle document or your Schoogle account, and you can retrieve those files. And you can even download these if you want to. So let's say I click on this, and I can download the original file, which means that I can download it onto any computer I want, and then I can continue to work on it and then upload it again to save my changes. Now, this is nice because you guys are going to have this account all the way through the rest of your career at FCCPS. So as you're working at MEH, you can be able to use Google Docs, and you can upload your assignments or create assignments in here. And you can take this with you all the way to George Mason as well. So this is going to act like an online portfolio or an online 3-ring binder where you can keep all of your projects, all of your assignments in a nice, safe place that you can access anywhere that you would like to on any computer at any time that you want. And it allows you to share all of your work with friends, family members, teachers, administrators, whoever you'd like. So again, we have Google Calendar. We have Schoogle Documents. We also have something like Google Sites, which allows you to create a website if you wanted to. And what's neat about that is you can create a website for a business. You could create a website for a club. You could create a website for whatever you wanted. And it's really fun because you can show pictures and videos and share all kinds of things. Now, in addition, you can click on the More button, and you can get to even more things. So this shows you a whole list of different Schoogle applications that you can use. You can use the Google Chrome. You can use Google Music, Images, Videos, Picnic, which is a fun photo editing tool. You can get Google Books, YouTube. All of these are really cool applications that you can use when you sign into Google or your Schoogle account. So I recommend that you take a look at these on your own time and try some of them, because I think you'll find them to be very useful. So again, this is your Schoogle account. You can tell that it's fccps.org. This is where you're going to be working, uploading your files, and also creating lots of files. So I hope that you go home and explore this a little bit further. Try it out. Start sharing some different documents out with your friends and seeing how it works. And hopefully you'll be able to be very productive at school using this feature. So best of luck working with this. And hopefully I look forward to you sharing some assignments with me soon. Thank you.